Hello kids, welcome to Smart Learning. Today we will learn how to calculate square. Before we start, first we should know what is square. Square is nothing but multiplying the same number twice. In case just if we want to calculate the square of 4, what we will do? We will just multiply it twice. 4 into 4 which is 16. So 16 is the square of 4. Now there are so many numbers and there are so many multiplication and it will make the things very trickier. So make it easy. I have few tricks for you guys. Let's go one by one. Trick number 1. If any number which has 5 at its end, suppose 25. So how we will calculate the square of 25? It is very easy and it is one of my favorite trick. Just write 5 in place of 25. For this, just write 25, and for 2, what is the next number after 2? It's 3. So we will multiply 2 by 3. So 2 3s are 6. 6 25. So this is the square of 25. Now let's see one more example, like 45. How to calculate the square of 45? We will simply write the 25 in place of 5. And what is the next number after 4? 5. So we will multiply 4 by 5. 4 5s are 20. So 2025 is the square of 45. Now let's see the second trick. Trick number 2. If you have any random number which don't have 5 at the end, then how you will calculate? Suppose if you have 32. This is also very easy. Just write the square of this. What is the square of 2? 4. So we will write 4. But the condition is we should write it in 2 digits. And what is the square of 3? It's 9. Now what we have to do? We have to calculate the square of 32. So what we will do? Just multiply these 2 digits and then multiply it by 2. So 3 2s are 6 and then into 2. 6 2s are 12. We will leave this place and we will write 12 here. Then just add it. 4, 2, 9 plus 1, 10, 1, 1. 1024. So the square of 32 is 1024. Now let's see the another example. If I take 36, what is the square of 36? Simply write the square of 6. 6 square is 36. And what is the square of 3? It's 9. So I have already told you we have to write it in 2 digits. Now multiply these two. 3 6 are 18. 18 into 2, 36. We will leave unit place and we will write 36 here. Now just add it. 6 3, 9, 9 3, 12, 1. 1296 is the square of 36. Isn't it easy? Now let's move to our trick number 3. This trick is only applicable if you have numbers containing only 1. Suppose if you want to calculate the square of 11, sorry. So how we will do? This is 2 digit. So write 2 here, and which number comes before 2? 1, and here also we will write the same 1. 1 to 1. Now let's calculate the square of 111. 111. So how many digits are there? 3. So just simply write 3 here. And how many numbers come before 3? Just write it 2, then 1. And same in another order. 2, 1. So this is the square of 111. Now let's see another example. If I put 111 and I want to calculate this square. So it looks very tough. But after knowing this trick, it will be very easy for you. So total how many 1 are there? 4. Just write 4 here. Then we'll write 3, 2, 1, and here also 3, 2, 1. If you like our video, just please hit the like button and share with your friends, family. And if you want more tips and tricks like this, then just subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.